I'm gonna show you how to make the most incredible lemon orange infused syrup. It's a great base for any type of cake. You wanna start with 1 cup of water, 2 cups of granulated sugar, right in the center, and set your burner to medium-high heat. We're gonna let this get to a simmering boil, and the reason why we put the sugar in the center of this pot is so that the crystals don't touch the side, because if you do, you run the chance of it potentially starting to crystallize. Now that we have a nice little simmer, we're gonna start adding our orange and lemon juice. We're gonna squeeze 1.5 lemons using a strainer to catch any seeds. Now we're gonna let that continue to simmer for about a minute. At this stage, we're gonna add the other half of the orange inside of here and the other half of the lemon sliced up, and we're gonna let that boil for no more than 3 minutes. Now we remove it from the burner and let it cool to room temperature. Once it's cooled down, this is how you store it. Take a masonry jar and pour it very carefully in the center, seal it up, put it in the fridge, and it'll hold for 6 months.